Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video, I am share to you the details and specification of HP DeskJet 2620 printer. It's include wireless printing, print, scan, copy and mobile printing. This is one of the best DeskJet printer for personal use. This printer is compatible with almost all kinds of operating system including Windows, Mac and Linux. These are the switches of this printer. From the above, small LCD monitor, then cancel button, then resume, after then Wi-Fi, after then info, after then color photocopy. The last one is black photocopy switch. Open this door. This area used for photocopy and scanning purpose. The document should be adjusted from this side. Paper size is given here, so you can adjust the paper accordingly. Duty circles of this printer is 1000 prints per month. Print speed of this printer is 8 prints from black and 6 prints from color per minute. This is the input paper tray of this printer. Maximum has 60 sheets capacity of this tray. Paper size can adjust with this paper guide. It support different size and types of paper and envelope. Up to A4 size can support in this printer. Size of each paper is given on this tray, so you can adjust the paper size accordingly. This is the output paper tray of this printer. Maxima has 25 sheets capacity of this tray. We just need to open this tray extended. It will hold the paper after the printing. To the left side of this door is mentioned the model number of the ink cartridge to be used. Cartridge number 123 is given here. Therefore, in this printer can only use the same number cartridge. This port for USB cable. It is connected to computer for printing or scanning purpose from computer. And this is power cable port. First we connect the power cable and press on the power button. Let's see where is the ink cartridge and how to insert or replace ink cartridge for this printer. First, open this door. Ink carriage is here. If it open, the ink carriage will come to the middle of this printer. Let's see how to remove the ink carriages from this printer. After then, press down on the carriage slightly and pull it out. Now black is removed. There are also the same procedures. Press down slightly and pull it out. Okay, this is the method of carriage removal. With the picture also indicates where to place the black and color carriages in this carriage. You have to put the black carriage on the right side and the color carriage on the left side of this carriage. This is the ink carriages of this printer. Normal sizes and XL sizes. The first one is black normal sizes. It is 120 pages approximate and the color 100 pages approximate. The XL sizes black 480 pages and color is 330 pages approximate. Both sizes are supported in this printer. You can always remain if it not used, ink will be dry. Okay, let's see how to insert or replace the ink cartridge of this printer. This is 123 black cartridge. Put the cartridge like this to right side of this carriage and press it slightly. Next 123 color cartridge. Also put to left side of the carriage. Now both cartridges are inserted. After then close the door. Next, let's see how to take a photocopy from this printer. First, feed the blank paper to input paper tray. Then arrange paper size with these clips. Let's see how to take a photocopy of this card. Put the card on the glass printed face as down. Card arranged like this, then close this door. Press this button for take a black photocopy. Thereafter the display seen as 1. How many times you press this button, you can get copy that much. You can get up to 9 copies in this method. After the selected number of copies, touch start black or start color. Now I touched the start black. It will scan document and print to blank paper. Photocopy resolution is 600 into 300 dpi and the scanning resolution is 1200 into 1200 dpi. The same paper I inserted again and rearrange the card little down. After then press on the color photocopy button for take a color photocopy. Everyone should always remember one thing. If inkjet printers are not used, ink will be dried. So best solution for this problem, you must take 1 or 2 print per week. Next, let's see how to get Wi-Fi password of this printer for connect mobile devices or computer. Any button will be pressed along with the information button and get the information about it. Now I press wireless button and information button together. Press just 2-3 seconds. Okay, now I press it together. With this password, we can connect all Wi-Fi devices for print document very easily without any cable. This is the print. It will have all information about the network configuration. Password of this printer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.